And so we expect the society to function. And so we are going off into the future. They can imagine these people in opposition behaving in this way. What if they were in government? Representing the people, running the country, calling the shots. Huh? So them tell you they collect $3.9 million. $3.9 million, a big PMP party, big PMP organization. The big Michael Manley, Norman Manley party. We have so many people around the internet. So them come from the diaspora. Going after the Jamaica Labour Party, and all they were able to collect. All they were able to collect from the whole diaspora, where everybody, the motor people on the internet chastise this government and I say, yo, they want a revolution in the country. And I only could manage is $3.9 million. And everybody accept it. But you know what? Can control 6.7 billion. I want to run around the country now, the mother town hall meeting now, and I say, oh, we don't have a problem. We know Andrew thief the money. So, and that's, we're not against the Naira bill, we just know Andrew deal with it. How will the people elect? Oh, we want oversight and there's no oversight. Then with the Auditor General there for, tell her to go home. Why the Auditor General getting paid? Tell her to go home. Tell Trevor Monroe daughter to go home. If we're not accountable, tell her to go home. But this is the one plan to get into Garden House and for Mark Golden to get into Jamaica House. Well, I could see if that will work out for you, know. I will be here, ready, with all the energy for a fourth term. Because I'm quite sure, say, we can't fool all the voters them. The Bugu Yaga behavior, the Butu behavior, the Skettle behavior, the indiscipline, that lack of decency, can't fool the real people them who want to see this country move forward. We want to see this country clean up. We want to see criminal behind bars or in a them grave. We can't fool them. We can't fool them. Because guess what? Every decipher and can proliferate the information, can spread the information, we are going to do it. We not make alone out there I tell the people them one bag of nonsense and lies and disinformation. We are take it up on ourselves to spread the information because we not take the country and mash it up. We not take the country and the government, the taxpayers, their money and the purse, the taxpayers, hard working money where people pay taxes and go get to the top and Harris friend them. And I know why I'm not angry with Andrew Holness. I know why I'm not angry with the JLP voters. And that's why every little thing up in the country, when they run around, that to no vote for, that to no vote for, fuck out, because I read the bad one, I'm not perfect. I'm going to repeat to them, say, yeah? I regurgitate to them, say, that to no vote for, if I want to, that to no vote for. It's like, you know, the cameras, the PLP cameras, you know, they come like some man who treats some woman bad. And the woman left. And find a different man. And then get up every day and pray say the man treat her bad. Them a pray say something go wrong in the relationship. And as soon as there's a little problem with them, you your man that you left and you find new man and gone. Your man see my kick out your teeth and all. Then I hear say, you know. Hey, treat her good from man. Them never treat her good, you know. And they don't want to see her happy. Comrades mentality. Them no want to see the country move forward unless at them. And them don't want to see it move forward. Because they get so much chance it move forward and it stays stagnant. Or in the negative. And them come tell we now, say, them want to take it now and move it forward. Look how much chance they get to move the country forward. 20 years straight or 18 years straight. Then get the country to move forward. Straight, consecutive. Straight. But them are going to tell you everything now after they have the people them are suffering in Jamaica and are growing in a circle and deal with your hands. So now them want to run the country. And them decide say that we are them are we tell lies, be indecent, reach people them are gullible, and things like that are gonna get them across the finish line. Listen, my real people, don't stay silent. See people in America stay silent. See people in America, you know what happened to America? The people them in America, you know much of them see I say them regret voting for the man. Because what that man do? What that man do? And him family and the tapanaris them. And the wealthy. And I send them pitting in the arms way. And today the stock market up today down. And X amount of people are buy stock before news come out. Because people decided that they were going to stay home. They were not going to this. They were not going to speak. And look what happened. Do not make the mistake and make that happen in Jamaica. Do not turn this country over to PNP, who is going to go up against America with them ideologies. We do business with America where they right this up. We do business with America where when people them need to survive. We're not going back to married in goods. We're not going back to buy stay free and rice or butter. This government with Andrew Holness have put Jamaica first, not Cuba first. Yeah, we love Cuba and them do nothing so we eat. Me have to make certain so they have a roof over their head. Me can't go fast in a people business and my people then go dead for hungry too. Yeah, we go on now. I'm sorry for you, I go on with you, my general, but you know, so I can't make my people dead for hungry. Because they are my responsibility. Jamaican people task Andrew Holness with another 4 or 5 years to run this country. Zulika Jess, Smiley, Mark Golden and him clan, Ian Hills and all of the liar them, they want to take that away from you. At time to stand up to them. At time to call out Zulika Jess and Smiley. The people spoke. The people have spoken. They task Mr. Holness to run this country for the next 4 to 5 years. Luckily, they did. Because we have one of the biggest disasters right after. And if it were the PNP, elect, had them Tapanaris friends with that, lend the government money to fix back the country, and then would give them some massive interest rate back on the money. And them that come justify it and say, yeah man, them have to borrow money from the rich people them. To give them more riches. Then that gone in at the NIR already. So we wouldn't have no buffer. We wouldn't have nothing to save at the end of the day from shocks. The same PMP them we are talking about now, never even want to have policies, no insurance policies in case of disaster. And then come now a big chat. The same PMP we only could have collect 3.9 million from their supporters. The same PMP will tell people don't send the money to the government. The most you can say about Andrew Holness, in tight on the money, in my favor. Tight on the money. But so was my granny. And so was my mother. Yeah. And so was your grandmother. And so was your mother. You go to shop, she go in there. And like my uncle King Brown, he used to have him and at the point when he couldn't see, he feel the money and he makes her and say he's stingy with the money and he feel the money. He feel more like a England he come from. He come like a England people then come down and they make a little thing back in the days and he squeeze and he makes yeah. So for your Andrew Holness, there might be no loose spenders, no wasteful spenders. But at least you know say the money dead and it go put to use. Then can't say money gets stolen and the money gone, you know. PMP tell us a 3.9 million Jamaican dollar them collect. This administration tell us that them collected 1.4 billion and hear them, oh, The money so long now spend. Them not tell us 67 billion spent already, you know. They not tell us that. Because they think you're gullible. And we have liars who choose to be dunce, choose to be uneducated out of convenience. So they can make you dunce and fool too. Don't be gullible. And look on the next bridge open. And look on the ribbon where Andrew Jones are cut. Andrew Jones now come out come toe to toe with them. Because guess what? He have work for do. He can't come out every day toe to toe with them and argue with them and run back at them and everything himself in contest it. He can't do that, people. Because he was tasked with another term to fix up everything and fix the country. And we had a disaster. So listen me real Jamaican people. If you believe in a prayer, pray for him. If you believe in a coordination, you know. Him not hard to reach, you know. And he read on the letter them. Write letter to him. Go on your computer and write a letter to him. Go on Google and how I write it. Go to how do I send a letter to the Prime Minister. Yeah, man, him read them, man. Him approachable people. And nobody no send me out to come do nothing for them. But me love my country people. I want to spend my last days. Yes, up Jamaica. And I want a country where people can come. You know so much foreign I get citizenship. The people might run left then country to come here. Come home, come buy a piece of land before it get too expensive. Come home. I remember the last thing I went to taxi driver, either taxi driver asked me live in Jamaica. He must say, I'm a soup me a cook. Well, I'm going to check for my soup one more time. And I done here. Your PMP done here. Man, go on for your page, man. Want to take him out of me, people. People want to fix him up. Wanna see. Listen to me. Listen to me. The hope say PMP go come na power food, eat a food in a hungry I go kill you. Because Jamaican people them not stupid. Hungry I go kill you no. Wanna go in one thing so you can go in the next election go to about statutory declaration. Nara. When I try walking back no boss say we're not against Nara, when those things say Andrew go thief the money. No, that not we have no say we not voted against it. Nara. And down the backside. Remember that. So hungry I go kill you. The $1 billion Uno will never get that $1 billion. Never. So if I eat to no sit down and wait man to go share up, hungry I go kill you no. As a matter of fact, una better get on board. If you don't know me, you will not win an election in Jamaica. You will not win an election in Jamaica. Never. Mark Golding have no chance to beat Andrew Jones. Uno put on a best foot last election. No pot pan fire, a pot burn up. Tabal. You still up on the internet to try to tear down Andrew Jones. Everything we want to try, everything we want to do, it now work. No, the people have sense. And the next election, we not going to lose back the seat them we did win. Just take it from me. Because we can't Commission try, no matter how them hold up a mark, no say Mark Golding don't make him money already. No man we say them don't make them money already, they no come scrape, can't have 1.8 million dollar, 1.8 million US dollar. No man with 1.8 million we can maybe buy one house at Jamaica right now. Depends on the kind of house they want to live in. No man. Now have 1.8 million US dollar on top of them don't make them money already. We don't have fool nobody. The Jamaican people them are not fool. I just a little TikTok of them and a little people run on social media and want excitement. A little mix up people. Them will not have a run on the internet and so look either from the diaspora. Uno will be losing back seats in the next election because uno already not performing. All uno do a chat and swim in a pool at the time. Facts. Uno going to lose back them seat. The people want to idiot. The people them know say Mark Golding get $600 million in 2006, 2007, which is over 8 million US dollar. And today he must say in value 1.8 million out of it. That means that Mark Golding in can't angle money. Anybody we can do basic maths. Mark Golding make $600 million off of the sale of DBNG according to the records in 2006, 2007. And today Mark Golding is telling us that he only has 1.8 million based on his statutory declaration. And nobody now investigate that. And if we accept it for what it is, it means that Mark Golding is a man with not do good business. It means that he can run this country. It means that I'm going to put the country in a bankruptcy. We are no fool. We will be campaigning and pointing these things out to the Jamaican people because they're on record. So when the Integrity Commission thinks that do we a disservice, it do we give ammunition. We just out here highlighting Nara and pointing out the skettle them will take over the PMP party. We're not even in a campaign mode. We're not a campaign. I want a campaign. We don't put up all petition for people sign for go after the police them for destroy the police force. We have a campaign. We have to tell the people them say only did want to cancel with police force. We have to tell the people and say when they do we get rid of the commissioner of police, we bring down the crime rate. We have to tell the people them we will be going into the crevice and corner of Jamaica. We not just give with things. We are write them down, we are add them up, we are sum them up for use back against you. Uno will be getting a shack in the next election. You think the Jamaican people might do that? You think say Jamaican people them run left the yard. You know much big man and big woman get backs up to go out them bed when criminal are run boy about Dana run. Right now man afraid to call. Right now man afraid to call himself Dan boy. At the Jamaica this where the people have been begging for when the man say I'm gonna make you sleep with the door open, we mean it and we going for it. And when Mr. Chan resign, we're gonna put somebody in a position where even more stringent when it comes down to these laws and these criminal acts where them are going to put in place to get rid of the criminal them. We not idiot. We not idiot. We not go back. We not turn back. $800 innocent people might get unalive. That means say yeah, them find out how do it and people gonna protection program fix up. When I talk to the people where I can reach, I tell them about these things. Me no careless boy like I wanna with the internet I wait for PMP win to get handout. Me work hard, you know, see me down a country I subdivide down there and I build up down there. Down a Sentan. You know see me down a money. I build up. Me no come for take nothing and run. Me no come for hustle the government. Me no depend TikTok and depend internet. I do nothing because me want 100 them give me no handout. Me work, burn up in a sun. Me I save my money from 1998 till now. 97, 98 till now. You never see me that there go squander money and a bag of entourage behind me. When man I stick out to them 130, 40,000 a show and 50,000 a show, you know what me I take? All 7 grand, 8 grand. Go and do a 4, 5 show for the weekend. You know idiot? Compound interest. Dunce. We sit down and wait for PMP win for you get something. Eh? We have developed Jamaica and we have PMP. We have people who support PMP not a problem because enough of the people who support PMP not support UNO risers. Enough of the people who support PMP they not nothing with UNO nonsense. I think some decent PMP people subscribe to what Zulika just do to the police. Them put out big statement disrespecting the police officers and putting up them images on the internet and then complete guilty. You think it's a decent Jamaican PMP I subscribe to that? Decent PMP now subscribe to where Zulika just disrespected the police officers them and put up them picture on her page and still have it there after she plead guilty. Plead guilty and still have the man and picture on her page. Still have the man and the woman picture on her page after she plead guilty. If have uninsured vehicle on the road. You think it's a decent PMP I work with or something there? Decent PMP knows that if our driver did crash into somebody and unalive them, there will be problem for them to get compensated because the vehicle have no insurance and she a lawmaker. When I think it's a decent, listen to me. When I go lose some PMP next election because we will be pointing these things out to the people them. So don't come over here go and like say one things we are idiot and we not campaign. We don't hear a prime minister name anything Jamrock. That means Jamaica we are build back. Yeah, Jamrock. I hit that Jamrock oversight. Jamrock. And if you don't see nothing, people, one thing said illegal and anybody are doing anything wrong, go and report it to Jamrock and make the Prime Minister deal with it because the Prime Minister not ramp with nobody in that party where deal with corruption either. There you go. You idiot boy. I just think we are a fool. Are you crazy? You not get back that country and mash it up. You already had no chance. You leader. You leader based on where him put forward in I'm statutory sitting them. Started out with 8 point something million US dollar. And today must say 1.8 him have out of it. What kind of leader that? Eh? What kind of leader that? So when we want to go do fat up back in kitty? When we want to go do fat up back in back book? When we want to go do fat up back? You know why they hate Andrew Wellness? I tell you why. I soup me a cook, you know. So the boy we have to me no live at Jamaica at soup me a cook. Jamaica cook soup on Saturday. I tell you why they don't like Andrew Wellness. It is not normal. It is not an irregular that a ghetto youth, a youth from poor background, start with small, grow it, start from scratch or small or from a little bit and grow it and grow it and grow it. It's not normal. Them can accept it. Mark Golding can accept say him get 8 point something million US in 2006 and now him only have 1.8 to declare. But yet still Andrew Wellness will start out with a little bit taxi. Him never start out with 600 million Jamaican dollar. He start out with a little taxi and he buy a little stock and him trade a little stock and him take him chance. Them can't accept that. Because them have poor people as idiot, we don't know nothing about compound interest. Just let me tell you, say, some artists were broke like dog now, we're not going for them when they can parent. When them, you know, they want big money for sure, and them want this and them squander and them spend off all of the money when they get the big money. You know. But me as a little youth, I come from country. I come from Lawrence Staff and Unity way. For Unity, Pigeon Valley. Me as a youth, don't know, so I grew up in a board house and grew up poor in here. So I get my little 5 grand and my 10 grand them. I use 2 and save 8. So I get a 6 grand. I use 1 and save 5. So I build my first project. I build that out of my pocket. I shouldn't build it out of my pocket, but I never have no sense in time. I should take loan and build it and keep my capital. Because it would have put me in the system, yeah, as a good borrower. But I never didn't cognizant of them things at them time. I mean, I used to hate mortgage and them things there. Our loans. So I build that out of my pocket. When I go Trinidad Carnival with Marshall, me I do all 6 shows in a one night. 6 shows. And I get all 5 grand a pop. 6, 5, 30. Boop. Next night, 3, 4, 5 show. Boop. 4 grand, 5 grand a pop. And I see someone sit down at Jamaica wait for big money. They broke like a dog now. And the man who used to get the big money, they squander it off. And they don't have nowhere. They not live nowhere. They not have no land. They not have no house. They not have nothing. Andrew will nest that. And for you, Mark Golden. Big $600 million after him sell DD&G to Scotia. And now I tell you say I'm going to have 1.8 out of it. But I 8 million US dollar. And you want that be a leader? You know say I leader that. Remember say we believe him, you know. Just do the maths to people. PNP. Comrades, do the maths. You want a man come around the country where they have 8 million 2006 and now you're going to have 1.8? But I put up this beautiful family. Where this is the poster family that all of us is supposed to thrive to, all of us supposed to yearn, all of us supposed to have this desire to have this poster family. We're all smiley, everybody smiling, everybody brown and pretty and beautiful with pretty hair. And that is supposed to be the Jesus Christ of a living room. Well, let's peel with the layers them people. You have $8 million 2006 and now you have 1.8. You know good. You know good. Mad dog come over here and say Sprat. I can't me I call Sprat. Because if you come over here and call me Sprat, you know, it means that you want to come in at the pool. So don't mind. Maybe black you and save it for yourself. Because I don't want you go over here. Go on over ice at pool. Go on go swim with ice at. Eh? Make it make sense of people, man. People open the eyes, man. We're not in a campaign. We're not in a campaign mode. We're in a teaching mode. PMP is still a campaign. PMP thinks that they put up I want the foolish petition maybe say 30,000-40,000 people go sign. Desperation. 30,000-40,000 people go sign one petition and they even know what the petition I say. The petition I say get rid of the minister, the commissioner, get rid of the prime minister, get rid of the to run the country. Who? What? What? We have somebody lined up to run. Who? What kind of puss in a bag? Where you ever hear this? Where ever hear this, people? A man, when they run the other party, when they say they want to come in a government, leave that dead party and come no tell us that they want somebody to run this country. Who? And that you sign up to a man, somebody can run the country, I don't know who. The level of dunceness. But guess what? Me glad say enough of you sign it, no come from Jamaica. Don't live at Jamaica. Uno no look around here from uno left. Me glad say uno we promote it and I tell people to sign it, no come from Boya and no live Boya again. Me glad say uno de uno diaspora uno na come here. And we don't want to come back here. Turn uno there. We the people who love Jamaica, we will take time and build it up. That is our ambition. To see this country a safe place where people can come live. PMP or JLP if you come and invest in our country, we are tell Jamaicans, we're not business if you have PMP or JLP. If you have PMP, come and invest. And you're right that will be PMP if you want to be PMP. But do not make these risers, these comrades, these vloggers on the internet mislead you and turn you into an idiot. Last year we had under 1,000 murders. Last year. That used to be your number one problem to come home. That used to be on top of your list why you don't want to come home. With police force not perfect people. We are some bad apple who want weed out. We just want to catch them on camera for weed them out. So the CCTV them where the government put up, yeah, we are going to get them on camera and weed them out. But even Mark Golden says some operations should have body camera. Him know say all operations cannot have body camera. Him know that. Him know that. Him an idiot. And we gathering some information where we can go and share the information with the public. Some operation people, not even police can know. Much more if you put on camera upon them. No, police and the operation not even know where them end up there. Because some of them will go tell them, yeah, them days are done. Yeah. We'll have that again. Yeah, man. We'll have that again. One Mr. Blake. One Mr. Blake. So when you sign put petition for remove him, no, no. One Mr. Blake. We stand with Commissioner Blake. We stand with him. We stand with Dr. Chang. 100%. We're fully in. And a criminal like that, you can always take his flesh, you can't take his soul. And we left it on record so you can hear it, and the picnic can hear it, and the general, and the mama can hear it, and everybody can hear it. We stand with Dr. Blake and we stand with Dr. Chang. No criminal now take over Jamaica, you know man? Criminal have to go run and hide. Nobody can call themselves Dan Boy again. Oh, Jamaica this, you don't think so? I can mash up this. I make PMP come back. PMP, yeah, law and you have people that drive on road without insurance and fitness, and you put up police picture on page and make people be rate them. You know what is that? You have to apologize. We need, listen to me, we need a loudmouth labor right. And I have one in the mind, and I go and go film. Yes. Last night, the middle of a neighbor, I go and find him because he mouth very loud, and we go and use him to make noise. So we have a loud mouth over there. We have one mouth louder than Funo. Yeah. Watch and see. Later, people, big up on yourselves. Have a great day. Come help the government build back the country. Government can't do it by themselves. If you know they are foreign now, no smell the roof for the blow off. Keep sending. Keep helping. Don't stop helping those government have money where they get from diaspora. $1.4 billion foolishness, people. Compared to the damages we encounter. The amount of the damages where the hurricane to Jamaica, 1.4 billion not even dropping at the bucket, people. So you have a family them down at the west, keep supporting them. Don't be like Zulika Jess who promise the people and say she'll go give them money. And I know she can't give them $1. You come like a trick them for vote for her. Because she knows the Jamaican people once you promise them money. But one thing I can tell you, she now win her seat next election because you promise the people and don't give them, and we are going to remind them. You better find that money and give them. Zulika Jess, we tell lie upon the police them. We make up things upon the police them. We put out sitting upon the police them. Make sure you have the people them money. We promise them because them vote for you. You make sure you give them the money. Because if you don't give them that money, we will be in the constituency telling them and reminding them, say they promise them the money. So you think you get away with it? Because we're not campaign. We'll wait until local government to come tell them and remind them. Remind us, you promise them, say you go give them your own money.